We're going to be talking about tax in Qatar. Yes, taxation. Everyone's favorite subject.
Order your delicious whole slow roasted turkey with a side of stuffing from IKEA now.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's MR.Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari here, and I'm going to be talking about tax here in Qatar. I'm going to share some answers to questions that you've asked and let you know how much tax you gotta pay.
How much cash are we talking about?
A lot of people from all over the world come here to Qatar to find a better future, and one of the things that they are used to back home is income tax. So obviously, before coming here, they typically ask, do I have to pay income tax? How much is it? Yup, you don't need to pay a single thing because the money that you make from your company belongs to you. Qatar's awesome, isn't it?
So awesome!
Now, on top of all of this, Qatar is one of the few countries in the world that has not implemented VAT, value-added tax. So even when you go ahead and take 100% of your salary and go to the supermarket, you don't need to pay any tax on the items that you've purchased. And I think that deserves a like. Like, don't think about the like. Click on the like on this video. Come on, guys.
You know you like it.
Now, if you're a business owner here in Qatar and you're Qatari, there is no tax at all on the business. But if you've got a foreign investor, you've got a foreign partner in it, and that foreign partner, of course, is on the books, which he should be, don't hide anything, then that foreign investor has to go ahead and pay tax. So basically, let's be very clear. If I've got 50%, Tim's got 50%, I'm a Qatari, he's an American, he has to pay tax on his 50%. So the tax is on him.
It's on you.
Now, honestly, a lot of countries charge quite a lot of tax. There's like millions of different types of taxes. So I think that the taxation rate for simply setting up a business here in Qatar is quite reasonable. Let me know what you guys think down below.
People talk about it down below.
You've also got the General Tax Authority, which monitors all of this. And in 2020, the Variba program, which is an electronic program, was launched for people to file their taxes or their tax reports or their income reports as well through this system. So if you've got a business, even if you don't have to pay any tax at all, you still have to go ahead and file your tax returns. That is something that's a must. So yes, you end up paying zero, but you still have to file your papers.
Your papers, please.
Now, while I said that there is no VAT, there are taxes that are charged to certain products through the excise tax program, or some people just call it the sin tax. Now, don't worry, it doesn't mean that if you see a drink for 1 riyal, you go to the counter and now you gotta pay 1.5 riyals. No, the price that you see is the price that you pay. The tax is usually applied to the businesses and then they go ahead and offset that tax through the final MSRP that they charge. So carbonated drinks have a tax of 50%. Energy drinks have a tax of 100%. Tobacco also has 100%. And then you've also got special goods that are 100%. And just to be clear, special goods also means alcohol. So alcohol is taxed too. Oh, and also not just alcohol, but also pork. Pork is haram. It's a sin. Sin tax.
Sin is sin.
Now let me go ahead and mention that although we do not pay VAT at the moment, of course things are subject to change. Today, this year, you might not be paying VAT. Next year, you might. This year, you might not have a tourism tax. Next year, you might. So go ahead and make sure that you always follow iLoveQatar.net so that you are 100% in the know, and we'll of course update you as things change. Inshallah, nothing changes. I won't pay any taxes.
No new taxes!
Now, there's also another type of tax. We're talking about an import tax. If you have spent over $750, we'll put the information right over here, then typically you will have to pay 5% tax. If you have a business and you are importing items, you have to pay 5% tax on everything.
What do you mean everything?
Everything!
Now, of course, while we don't have a lot of tax, there are also fees. Just be clear on that. You might not have a tax, but there are fees on items. So make sure that you are fully aware of different fees. But we've just talked about taxes right now. That's what you guys have asked about. If you want me to talk about fees, specifically for a certain industry, let me know down below.
Down below, Sir Philip.
Guys, if you liked this episode, you found it useful, please don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And see that bell? Quickly, click on it before it taxes you. Ma'as salama.